Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today, I have something that I think is just really fascinating. It is a Lego dress. Well, it is a fLego dress. It is not made with Lego bricks. It is made with fake Lego, as someone would say. Or alternate brick kits, whatever you want to use there. But I like the term fLego. I think it works pretty good. Let's see. So yeah, there have 4 different ones of these, and I actually have ordered them all. I've got 2 in so far. This is the first one. I just thought it was a really fascinating idea for them to try this. I have no idea what the kit's going to be like. Let's get her open up here on camera and see what we got inside here. I got these from Temu. They were pretty reasonably priced. I believe they're in the teens. Let's get her up and up here. There we go. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags and a very tiny book. Let's see here. I mean, it looks fine. It's just small. And the colors look pretty good in it. I do not think we're working with numbered bags here. I don't see any number on the bags. So you're just going to open them all up and lay them in a pile and then work from there, it looks like. Yeah, oh, by the way, Merry Christmas. This is Christmas here. We got the studio torn apart here. Our little studio, aka the kitchen table, torn apart for to set us up for Christmas morning breakfast and dinner later on in the day. I hope you're having a very good holiday yourselves. And yeah, so I'll get this build on camera and we'll give it a good review and let you know what it's like to build and to see the finished product, of course. Looks like a fairly straightforward build. Alright, well thanks again for watching Sloan's Reviews. We appreciate your watching us. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera that can use a little help for $3 a month to get ad-free access to our videos. And that $3 can help you decide what to love making next, including maybe even a fLego dress. Alright, thanks. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.